come and grab your burgers.
Yeah, that's Prince William.
Morning, guys.
Royal Mail.
I brought you some Earthshot bits and pieces.
Katie's greenhouse in a box.
This is the Makuru clean stove, not plastic. It's not plastic, it's plastic.
Genius!
One is helping the producers, one is helping like home cooks and families and communities on the ground, and this I feel is more useful for industry, so hospitality and retail. So like they're actually tackling so many points of the food system, but all in a positive way.
Let's make burgers.
Oh, wow.
Who's hungry?
Is there a chance we could get you an Earthshot burger?
Yes, absolutely.
Excellent. Can we have 4 Earthshot burgers, please, chef?
Coming right up. Morning, everyone.
Thank you very much. Yeah, that's Prince William. So obviously Prince William's here because, well, he founded the Earthshot Prize.
It's an environmental prize effectively trying to repair and restore the planet.
I was shell-shocked, like I froze.
We're still shocked.
Still shocked.
So as you might have gathered, this is Prince William.
We'll have 4 Earthshot burgers, please, chef.
4 burgers.
Lovely.
Morning, everyone. Nicely cooked, ready to go.
Of all the things I was expecting, it was not that.
It was founded by, you can probably give a bit of a better introduction than I can.
No, you're doing a good job. So, for those of you who don't know, the Earthshot Prize is there to repair and regenerate the planet. Everything you see here comes from the winners from last year. So, the box you're about to eat in is built from a company called Nopla, and there's no plastic involved. They come up with a seaweed coating. The ingredients inside the burger are grown from a greenhouse in India, from a company called Kiti. And last but not least, the way we've cooked them has been on a thing called Makuru clean stoves. And that is designed by a lady in Kenya who came up with the concept to reduce air pollution and health pollution. Can't vouch for the taste and the quality, but that's up to Kush and Evers who they designed the menu. So I'm rolling with it. But come and grab your burgers.
It's all plant-based.
Yeah. No worries at all.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
We'll catch you in a bit.
My brain took like 3 seconds to buffer. Am I dreaming? Have I had enough sleep?
I lost it for words.
It's thinking about kind of the environment, the planet, how our food's made, how our kind of packaging is made.
This is something that everybody needs to know about.
The burger was so good. We love the burger.
It is honestly the best burger that we've had.
Scooped up all of the little bits that fell out as well. It was